And the very next day, hey Fab, I'ma kill you. Lyrics coming at you with supersonic speed.
JJ Fab.
Summer, I'm a doom, I'm a you assuming I'm a human. What I gotta do to get it through to you? I'm superhuman, innovative, and I made a rubber so that anything you say is speaking shaking off of me and it'll glue to you and devastating more than ever demonstrating how to give a motherfucking audience a feeling like it's levitating, never fading. And I know the haters are forever waiting for the day that they can say I fell off to be celebrating, cause I know.
Hey, how come the only one celebrating is me, huh? Where are the girls? Bring on the confetti!
It was amazing. He won 3 piston cups.
He did what in his cup?
This movie is rated G. What the fuck? Also, ha ha, ha ha. Why is there a piss joke in a friggin' Disney movie?